Hello, so here's the problem number 8, and in this problem we have to reverse given linked list. So in order to reverse a linked list, we will need to define three variables. One is current, one is, I will call it next, and one is previous. So current will be pointing at the beginning to the head node of the linked list. Next always will be pointing to the next node after current, like here, and previous will be null at the beginning and will be as a new separate node at the beginning. So from after that we will just change the pointers of the each node. So for example, current next will be pointing to the previous, and we will remove this pointer. After that I will just move our current to the next node of the linked list. So we will just remove from here and we will make it equal to the next, and also we will move the node previous itself to the current. So actually, like before moving our current from here, we will move our previous to here, to this node, and after that we'll move our current to next, making equal it to the next, and after that we'll just move our next to the next node according to the current. So after that we'll just change pointers of the current pointing into the previous, then again we will move our previous to making it equal to current. Then we'll make our current equal to next, then we'll move our next to the next node. If it's null, just it will be null. So, and we will run this loop until we will reach the last node in the linked list. So at the end we'll have just reversed linked list, and at the end we'll just return value of previous, because at the end we will make our previous equal to current. So in our code it will look like as following. So our code will return linked list node. So I will call it just reverse linked list. The input will be head node of the linked list. So I will declare 3 nodes as I was explaining in this example. So current will be equal to header, another node like previous will be with the null, initial value will be null, and node next also will be at the beginning null. So, and after that we will run just while loop. We will use our current node just to go through all nodes in the linked list. So at the beginning I will define next node with the element of the current next. So next will be always the node after current. Then I will be changing the pointer of current next to previous, so like changing it back reversing it. After that, I will be moving my previous node, making it equal to current itself, and I will redefine current, making it equal to next. So until it will reach the end of the linked list. So at the end, I will just return prev node, because like current and next will be the nulls. So the prev will be actually the node, the last node of the original linked list. Time complexity for this approach is order of n, because the number of operations is the number of nodes in the linked list, and space is order of constant, because we are just declaring 3 node variables. Yeah, that's it.